Welcome. If you've ever wanted to mark all your WhatsApp groups as unread in the desktop app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether it's for organization, reminders, or privacy, this quick tutorial will walk you through every simple step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Once the app opens, look just under the search bar at the top of your screen. You'll see a tab labeled Groups. Click on that. This section shows all the group chats you've joined, making it easier to manage them in one place. Now, at the top right corner of the Groups page, you'll notice three dots. That's your menu button. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, choose Select Chats. With that done, start selecting the groups you want to mark as unread. You can click each group individually, or if you want to mark all of them, simply use the Select All option. This allows you to quickly highlight every group in one go, saving time. Once you've selected the chats, look again at the top of the screen. Next to the number showing how many chats you've selected, you'll spot another set of three dots. Click on that as well. A small menu will pop up. From there, choose Mark as Unread. Just like that, all of your selected groups will instantly appear as unread in your WhatsApp sidebar. This is great when you want to keep track of important messages or make sure you return to certain conversations later. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to mark all your WhatsApp groups as unread using the latest desktop update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a quick refresher on WhatsApp's newest features. Thanks for watching.